Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create the overexposed image effect similar to what I have on my screen, where it seems like the flash or the light from the camera is overexposed on the subject. So all you have to do is go to the Higgsfield website here, which is higgsfield.ai, and you can actually see all the mind-blowing videos and stunning effects available. You can now go to Higgsfield Soul after signing in or creating an account. If you do not have one, click on the overexposed area here and you'll be brought to a page similar to what I have. Now if you want to create from scratch, you can click on generate, but if you've seen a picture that speaks to you or you want to create in the exact likeness, all you have to do is click on that particular image like this. Just click on it and you'll be taken to a page where you can actually either copy your prompt from here or just click on recreate. So I'll just recreate this and it will, I'll be brought to this list. Now you can now modify your prompt to give you exactly what you want. You can even add your character in this area to actually see what your character will look like with that particular image effect. Now you can select your aspect ratio here. You can also change your output resolution. You can switch between the high and the basic models. The high uses 2 credits for generation. The basic uses a single credit for generation, and Higgsfield also gives you about 5 credits per day for generation, which means you can generate between 2 and 5 images for free each day. So I think that is amazing. So that's basically how to do. So once you're done with changing your prompt here, you can just click on generate. So these are the images I've generated over time. So you can actually generate an image with this particular AI. So if you have any question concerning this particular image effect, let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to the account because we're actively trying to grow it. Thank you very much and do have a great day, guys.